Let's discuss the another important features of democracy, that rule of law and respect of right. This is the very important features key when we talk about democracy. Democracy is a system in which the elected government the government is elected by the peoples of that particular country. When the government is elected by the peoples of that particular country, it means this is the responsibility of the elected government to establish such a system so that they cannot face any kind of problem. So here the fourth features, that rule of law and respect of right. कानून का शासन होता है and whatever the right have been given to the citizen of that particular country, that these rights should be respect. उनके right की respect होनी चाहिए. So rule of law, कानून का शासन होता है, respect of right होता है. This is the fourth and very important pillar features of democracy, that की democracy की actual feeling वहाँ होती है जहाँ कानून का शासन होता है, जहाँ पर लोगों के राइट्स को प्रिजर्व किया जाता है, जहाँ पर उनके राइट्स को सम्मान दिया जाता है, and the system work according to the welfare or the desire of the population. If there is no system is established just for the well-being of the people, there is no respect of the right, there are some problems. So this is the fourth important features of democracy, that rule of law and respect of rights always there. But there are few examples which I would like to share, जहाँ पर रूल ऑफ लॉ और रेस्पेक्ट ऑफ राइट को थोड़ा सा ब्रेक मिला है या जिसको फॉलो नहीं किया गया है. If a democracy country, if a country is just following the democratic form of system, their responsibility to establish the rule of law and respect of right. If it is not happening, it means there is no proper way democracy in that particular country. There are few examples are given under this topic, like rule of law and respect of right. Number one, there is an example of Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is also a African country. In Zimbabwe, President Robert Mugabe has been ruling since independence. Although Mugabe popular, he used unfair practice during the election. After the Second World War, the many countries got independence, and there is a very strange things in Zimbabwe, कि after the independence of Zimbabwe, there is a president of Zimbabwe whose name is Robert Mugabe. He is the president of Zimbabwe since that time. To winning the election, he just used different type of tactics, different type of unfair means and strategy practiced during the election, and continuously he become a president of Zimbabwe. Can you imagine? A very long time, one person is sitting as a president of Zimbabwe, and during the election, Robert Mugabe just use unfair practice, try to threaten the voter, and also he just use unfair practice during the elections. So if it is happening in any particular country, हमने अभी अभी जिम्बाब्वे का एग्जांपल लिया है, if it is happening in any particular country, it means there is no respect of the rights of the peoples, there is no rule of the law. If there is no respect, how it is possible that the population of any particular country always just cast their vote in favor of one person? It is not possible. After the fixed tenure 5 साल 10 साल max to max 15 years, जनता का मन भर जाता है, and they try to just want to change the government, but it is not happened in Zimbabwe because Robert Mugabe just used so many unfair practice during the election to win the elections. So in such country we can say there is no rule of law, there is no respect of the rights, no respect of the right of the peoples. The same he just amended the constitution multiple times order to increase the power of the president and make him less accountable. He just do so many changes in the constitution. If you give the chance to a one person regularly, what happened? They will change the constitution. They will change the rules and regulation. That's why to make a better country, we are supposed that after every 5 years or 10 years, we are supposed to change the government. Zimbabwe people want to change the government, but he just used the unfair means of practice. He just used the different tactics to win the election, and he is regularly winning the election. That's why he changed the constitution, and he himself make as a less accountable. What is happening in the country? I am less accountable. I am simply a president of Zimbabwe. These leaders are not the true leader. They are not serving their nations. He changed the constitution. He changed the rules and regulation. He become himself as a less accountable, and regularly he just winning the elections. He also changed in the electoral process. That's why he can win easily in the elections. My dear children, if there is no rule of law, there is no respect of the right of the individual, there is no democracy. The member of the opposition parties are jailed if they raise the voice against the government and protest against the government. Its policies are declared illegal. It means the people don't have right to raise their voice. The people don't have right to protest against the government. If they try to protest against the government, if they try to raise their voice, they put into jail. उनको जेल में डाल दिया जाता है. So if the people don't have right to protect, if the people don't have right to raise their voice, can you say this is the democratic country? No, we cannot say. हम इसको democratic country नहीं कह सकते हैं बच्चों. That opposition party don't have. My dear student, to make a good democracy, we need a strong opposition. If the opposition are weaker, democracy में जो ruling party होती है अपनी मनमर्जी करती है. Being a citizen, being a good citizen, we are supposed to make the strong opposition, because the opposition party is only political party those who stop the ruling party to do the unconstitutional work. अगर कोई भी अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल वर्क होता है उसको रोकने का काम अपोजिशन पार्टी करती है. वी पीपल, यू पीपल आर वेरी कॉमन पीपल. व्हाट इज आवर राइट्स? क्या व्हाट इज आवर पावर? कैन वी स्टॉप आवर गवर्नमेंट? कैन वी नॉर्मल पीपल ऑफ जिम्बाब्वे कैन स्टॉप द गवर्नमेंट? नो, दे कैन नॉट स्टॉप. वो इसको स्टॉप नहीं कर सकते हैं. सो being to establish the true spirit of democracy, we are supposed to make the opposition very strong. It is important in a democratic government to grant basic right of the freedom of citizen. Government should be accountable to the citizen. If we want to establish the rule of law, if we want to establish the right of the citizen, if we want to pay the respect, it is mandatory that government should be accountable to the citizen. If any problems are there in any particular country and the government is elected by the peoples, the government is responsible. For the any mishappening, the government is responsible. जिम्मेदारी है सरकार की, and they have to take the responsibility to just set down, to just set all these things in a right manner. Being a citizen, we are supposed to just do accountable उसको होना चाहिए सरकार को. But what did Robert Mugabe? He just changed the constitution and make himself as a less accountable. This is not a sign of the good democracy. It is not a good sign. Yes, democracy का good sign नहीं है. Therefore, democratic government rules within the limit of the constitution, citizen right. Government must function with the basic rules and constitution and citizen right. Democratic government, there is a sign of the democratic government. The democratic government should work according to the constitution, according to the basic rules, according to the citizen rights. He just work for the welfare of their citizen, and also they should give the freedom to their citizen because always citizen and the opposition party always do correct to the ruling party. There are so many examples, जब अपोजिशन पार्टी ने और जनता ने सरकारों को करेक्ट किया है. सरकार गलत डिसीजन लेने जा रही थी, लोगों ने विद्रोह किया, लोगों ने अपोजिशन किया, लोगों ने अपनी वॉइस को रेज किया और सरकार को समझ में आया कि वॉट एवर द डिसीजन वी आर गोइंग टू टेक दैट इज रॉन्ग. सो इन डेमोक्रेटिक फॉर्म ऑफ सिस्टम, रूल ऑफ लॉ and respect of the right of the individual should be established there. Every democratic government should work according to the citizen right, according to the rule of law, according to the constitutions. And if a particular government are doing like this, if it is working according to the constitutions, if it is working according to the norms and procedure, we can say that this is the real democracy in that particular country. So this is very, very important. So if we talk about the summary definition, अगर हम लोग summary definition की बात करें बच्चों, this is very, very important which I would like to discuss here. और ये अपने आप में बहुत ही important है कि किस तरीके से हम इसको कर सकते हैं. ये सारी चीजें establish होना जरूरी है. किसी भी सरकार को they should work according to the constitutional norms and procedure, according to the welfare of the citizen. They should make the opposition very strong and they should work according to the constitutional rules and regulations. They also take the advice of their citizen. They should also take the advice of their opposition party. That's why we can establish a pure system of democracy. जिम्बाब्वे में कुछ ऐसा नहीं हुआ, तो all the examples are related to that rules of law and respect of right. This is up to this topic. Thank you.